Okay. So let's do this. So first step, x square minus 5x plus 6. So divide x cubed minus 6x square plus 10x minus 2. Do you know how to divide it? Long division. First one is x to the x cubed and 5x squared. Then minus plus. So this will be minus x squared plus 10x 2. Then this will be minus 1. So this will become minus x squared minus 5x. Not 5, minus plus, right? Yep, plus. And this will be minus 6. So what I'll be left with is plus minus plus. So my fx is actually x minus 1. So after that, a and b can be found out. So what is I'm saying here is the part will be this will can be written as x cube minus 6 square plus 10x can be written as x square minus 5x plus 6 into x minus 1 come into x minus 1 plus 5x plus 1. Then this has to be divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. Right now, then you divide it, then this will become x minus 1 and this will become 5x plus 4 upon x square minus 5x plus 6. So now this is not they're interested in what they're interested in this one. So this is what you will get.